Hey guys, Mama Mita here. And guess what guys? I'm going to be showing you how to make jam. Yep. You see, my husband likes bread. I like bread too. We like jam on our bread. Yeah. So, I'm trying to cut back on sugar and he's trying to cut back on sugar. And he discovered this stuff. It's good. But it's expensive. Well, he's from Puerto Rico, and one thing for sure, he sure does like mangoes. Boy, he could eat a mango every night. That's not so bad. Mangoes are like 78 cents at Winco. So, fine. But the thing is, sometimes when I buy the mangoes, he only wants them green. And if they're red and yellow and they're a little bit, just a teeny bit soft, he won't touch them. Okay, well, I'll eat it. But sometimes I maybe don't want a mango. What am I supposed to do with mangoes? But then I come up with, he likes this stuff. He likes his mangoes. All right, fine. Let's do this. So I got 3 mangoes today and I peeled them. And then I put them in chunks, and I put them in this little bowl, and I mashed them up. I'm mashing over here away like this, And then guess what? I'm going to add a little bit of lemon, just a teeny bit, like maybe a teaspoon, and mash it in there with my mangoes. And then I'm going to take these. I got 3 of them. I mean, hey, look at the ingredients in this thing. My Seva is better. And if this works, I've even got a huge Seva push out the front by the front door. So I'm going to put these in here. And then I'm going to mash those in. Whew. I can even taste that Seva when it kind of came up. Tastes pretty good though. Okay. And that's all I'm doing. And then I take my bread pan. Let me adjust my camera just a second here. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall. It's always my luck. Something like that. Okay, there we go. All right. So, getting back here. So, I've mashed this up. And then I'm going to put the Seva in. Okay, mash that in there too with a little bit of lemon. Now, I'm just going to take and I'm going to leave the petal in the pan. Okay. I'm going to give you a look at that. See? That's all I did. Now, I'm going to drop it in the machine. Click it down. Put it on. And I'm going to put it to bake, which is number 8 on my machine. And turn it on. And that's all I'm going to do. And it'll probably take about close to an hour, and it'll be ready. And we'll come back and see how it looks. Thank you. Hi guys, okay, I'm back. So now the jam is finished and it looks pretty good. It's kind of still warm. It looks pretty good to me. I don't really see anything wrong with it. So the only thing I might, be worried about a little bit is like the pan, maybe the sides of it like getting a little bit crispy, but not crispy, but like Yeah, kind of crispy, but that's okay. I mean, it probably would just come off easy. I might have to soak it a little bit. But, at least I used the mangoes, and let's see what it's going to taste like. Oh, boy. I like it. I do. Um, I might, for me, I might use a little bit less Seva, but for my husband, I think he would like it. And I'm just going to take it out of the little dish and put it inside. But at least, I can use the mango and stuff, Maybe I might want to put like a little teeny bit of water to make it a little bit more runny. I don't know, or maybe less cooking. Maybe less cooking. That might do it. So, but I think it's great for toast. I don't see anything wrong with toast, or like in the morning for breakfast, just put it on your toast or a little piece of bread. Looks good to me. I mean, I don't want to throw the mangoes away. And it was really easy. All I did, you saw, was just basically put the stuff together and put it in the machine and turn it on. But I think I maybe would do a little less on the time. Maybe instead of doing the full 60 minutes, I might just do 45 minutes, or right when it starts to look like it's getting a little bit drier, stop the machine right there and let it cool down and put it in the jar. So now, this cannot be put in the cabinet. This is refrigerator only. And you probably, mine don't usually last long, in the past, but that was strawberry and raspberries that we did before, and so they didn't last very long. But this one, I'll put in the refrigerator and see how it goes, how fast it goes. But oh gosh, at least I used the mangoes now. So you guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. And remember, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And it would be nice if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once again, thank you guys. Have a nice day.